Hello, little learners. Welcome to your own channel, Kiddoctive Homeschooling. If you are new to our channel, please like, share, and subscribe. Farm animal counting. Do you love counting? Farm animal counting. Let's start. Three, two, one. Here we go. Right. Count the cows. How many are there? Let's count with me. One, two, three, four, five, six. So there are six cows in the farm. Yes, you heard it right. There are six cows in the farm. Now count the pigs. Pigs says oink oink. So how many are there? Let's count with me. One, two, three, four, five. There are 15 pigs in the farm. There are 15 pigs in the farm. Let's see. There are 15 pigs. Okay. Count the horses. How many are there? One, two, three, four, five. Yes. There are 10 horses in the farm. Let's check. Yes, there are 10 horses in the farm. Good job. Count the sheep. Sheep says Baba. How many are there? Let's find out. There are 8 sheep in the farm. Yes, you heard it right. Good job. Count the donkeys. How many are there? Donkeys say hee haw. Let's find out. There are 11 donkeys in the farm. You heard it right. There are 11 donkeys in the farm. Bravo! Count the dogs. How many are there? One, two, three, four, five, six. Let's find out whose answer is correct. Yes, there are 6 dogs in the farm. You heard it right. Now count the goats. How many are there? There are many. You have to count. Pause and count. Let's find out whose answer is correct. There are 20 goats in the farm. Yes, you heard it right. Bravo! Count the chickens. How many are there? There are many. You are going to pause the video and count. One by one, let's find out whose answer is correct. There are 12 chickens in the farm. You heard it right. 12 chickens in the farm. 12. Now count the llamas. How many are there? One, two, three, and 4. I know it is easy for you. Let's find out. There are 4 llamas in the farm. Count the turkeys. How many are there? There are many. Pause the video, count them one by one. Let's find out whose answer is correct. Yes, there are 17 turkeys in the farm. Count the rabbits. How many are there? Pause the video and count one by one. Let's find out whose answer is correct. There are 9 rabbits in the farm. Yes, you heard it right. 9 rabbits in the farm. Good job. Great job counting all of the farm animals, my little ones. I know you learn a lot. Yes? Okay. Thank you for watching, my little friends. Do like, share, and subscribe. If you are watching me in the Facebook, then please follow. You will get interesting moral stories and worksheets and many more.